check out what we got here. It's a, I believe, 78 KM100. It's actually my boss's dirt bike. Yeah, it is small, but we don't talk about that. So anyways, right now he says he figures that he left it a little too long or didn't put stay-bill in it, so yeah, bad gas, and definitely was right. Let me see if I can show you the float bowl. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Definitely been sitting in there a little bit. So I already cleaned out the jets. Of course I don't have any carb cleaner, so I cleaned them by hand and then stuck them in some gas right now to help out. So gonna clean all these with a nice wire brush. Same with the bottom of the carburetor a little bit. And then we'll see what happens. I already checked, it's got spark, has a flat tire, has a duct tape seat of course. Alright, so show you in a minute or a little bit what happens. Alrighty, so you just got the carb bolted back together and we're just giving her a bit of gas and see how she goes. Don't have too high hopes. Didn't have any carb cleaner. Still has the old plug. So we'll see what happens. We'll see. Don't want to miss it in case something happens. Like that. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that exhaust suit. Runs pretty good. Dina wants to ride. Good girl. Good girl. Don't be scared. Drives. Doesn't shut off. Got a revving high too. Just pull the plug maybe. Pull the plug. Yeah. Huh.
Tire's too flat to test ride it.
Yeah, the tire's quite flat, can't ride it at the moment. And the shut-off doesn't work, per se. So, those are two kind of problems. But yeah, it runs. It runs quite well. Yeah. Kind of revs a little high there too.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with that.
Yeah, carb might.
Well, who knows how it ran before.
Yeah.
He said he just left it at the cottage and it just fired up every year.
Yeah, so
Except a couple years ago.
that could be how it ran before. We don't know. This is Andrew's boss after all, so we'll see. But she runs. She looks beautiful and she runs. So thanks for watching and
Show you maybe a little something in a minute.
yeah, maybe we'll be a ride video at the end of this. We'll see.
A bit more.
But might be asking, yeah, true. But we'll see how it goes. Talk to you in a bit. Well, like I said, a little bit of a riding picture. Not running the best, but we just got it running, so. Feels pretty good. Chain guard's rubbing on the chain, so it makes a bit of noise. Well, awesome here. Runs pretty good. Okay, so of course we couldn't let go without a little paint job. Gave it some John Deere green that I bought and never used. I would have had to take the back fender off, so that's all he gets for free. That's it. Bye.